Welcome to the Sustainability Podcast, where we dive deep into the innovations shaping our futures. I'm Jim Frazier, and today we're exploring the concept of smart cities, complex ecosystems where technology and strategy come together to create environments that are efficient, sustainable, and responsive to citizens' needs. Let's break down how these transformations are occurring across 10 key sectors and how they've evolved over the past few years. First, infrastructure, which is truly the backbone of smart cities. Smart cities start, of course, with robust infrastructure designed to seamlessly integrate technology into the urban fabric. Innovations like IoT devices and smart sensors modernize dated systems, making them more efficient and sustainable. Public-private partnerships and green bonds are vital, providing the financial backing needed for these large-scale projects. The rollout of 5G is a game changer, offering speed, connectivity, and low latency necessary for everything from autonomous vehicles to real-time data analytics. Resilient infrastructure is also crucial, as it's designed to withstand various climate challenges, ensuring cities remain operational regardless of weather conditions. With the rise of smarter technologies, challenges such as cybersecurity have become more pronounced, necessitating stringent protections to safeguard essential services and private citizen data. These upgrades not only improve city services, but also greatly reduce operational costs and resource waste, contributing to a greener, more efficient urban environment. Next, and perhaps one of the larger ones, is transportation. Let's talk a little bit about smarter mobility solutions. Transportation in smart cities is not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about creating an integrated, efficient, sustainable mobility system. Electric vehicles reduce urban pollution and are supported by an expanding network of smart charging stations. Autonomous vehicles could drastically decrease the need for extensive parking areas, freeing up space for green areas. Smart traffic management systems, including adaptive traffic lights and digital signage, responds in real time to traffic conditions to reduce congestion. Public transit is becoming revolutionized with mobile ticketing and real-time tracking systems, making it much more attractive and efficient for daily commuters. Last mile solutions like e-scooters and smart buses are bridging the gap between transit stops and citizens' final destinations, ensuring a seamless and much higher quality travel experience. However, these technologies require supportive regulatory frameworks to ensure that they are safe, effective, and equitable across all demographics. Public safety and enhancing urban security. In smart cities, public safety is, of course, paramount, with technology playing a key role in enhancing security and emergency responsiveness. AI-enhanced systems and crime mapping tools allow for predictive policing, helping to prevent crimes before they occur. Integrated surveillance systems, while bolstering security, are designed with privacy concerns in mind, maintaining a delicate balance between safety and civil liberties. Technology specific to fire prevention and robust emergency management systems showcase a city's capability to protect its citizens effectively in another domain. Community policing models supported by technology such as real-time public alert systems not only enhance safety but also foster community relations. Ethical considerations also are at the forefront of technology deployment, ensuring that data collection and surveillance are conducted transparently and justly. These advancements create a safer living environment and build trust between the community and law enforcement. Number 4, government services and streamlining civic engagement. Digital transformation is reshaping government services, making them more accessible and efficient. E-governance platforms simplify interactions between citizens and authorities, improving overall service and transparency. Digital democracy tools, such as e-voting, enhance civic participation by making the voting process more accessible and more secure. Blockchain technology is increasingly being used to ensure transparency and to reduce corruption in governmental transactions. Smart ID cards and automated tax systems are streamlining public administration in that domain, reducing bureaucracy and improving efficiency. Additionally, cloud computing is offering scalable and flexible solutions that adapt to the city's evolving needs. All of these digital services not only save time, but also reduce paper use, contributing to environmental sustainability. At the forefront of everyone's mind is, of course, the environment. Environmental monitoring, protecting our urban ecosystems. Smart cities utilize advanced technologies to monitor and manage the environment actively. Real-time data from air quality monitoring stations and water management systems allow for near immediate responses to environmental issues. Urban greening initiatives, supported by green roofs and advanced landscaping technologies, also play a crucial role in enhancing biodiversity and managing urban temperatures. Smart waste management systems optimize recycling processes and reduce landfill use, showcasing the city's commitment to sustainable practices. These technologies not only help cities respond to environmental challenges, but also provide citizens with healthier living conditions. Moreover, the integration of environmental data into urban planning processes ensures that sustainability is a key consideration in all development projects. Healthcare and revolutionizing medical services. In smart cities, healthcare systems leverage technology to improve accessibility and effectiveness. Telemedicine and wearable health monitors do extend the reach of healthcare services, providing continuous care and monitoring, particularly in underserved areas. AI-driven diagnostics and treatment planning offer both personalized care and increase the precision of medical interventions. Smart pharmacies enhance medication safety through automated dispensing systems. Big data also plays a pivotal role in public health, with analytics helping to shape responsive health policies and interventions. Furthermore, the integration of advanced technologies helps healthcare providers meet the rising demands efficiently, ensuring that patient care is swift, accurate, and less burdensome. Education, advancing learning through technology. Technology transforms the educational landscape in smart cities, making learning more engaging and more accessible. Digital classrooms and e-learning platforms provide flexible, student-centered educational experiences. AI tutors offer personalized learning, adapting in real time to the needs of each student. Virtual reality and other immersive technologies bring complex academic concepts to life, enhancing understanding and retention. Continuous professional development programs ensure that educators are well equipped to utilize these advanced tools effectively. These innovations not only democratize education, but also prepare students for a future where digital literacy is paramount. Energy management, ensuring sustainable urban growth. Smart cities prioritize efficient and sustainable energy use. Smart grids integrate renewable energy sources like solar and wind and mobile EVs, balancing and optimizing energy distribution. Dynamic pricing and real-time energy usage data are encouraging consumers to adjust their habits, promoting energy conservation. Of course, advances in building automation and smart HVAC systems are further reducing energy consumption, enhancing the sustainability of urban developments. These systems not only support the environmental goals of the city, but also offer economic benefits by reducing operational costs. Economic development, fostering both innovation and growth. Smart cities drive economic growth through strategic innovation and development. Smart economic corridors attract technology startups and global investors, bolstering the local economy. The integration of IoT in manufacturing and retail sectors streamlines operations and enhances productivity. Data-driven decision-making tools ensure that economic policies are both impactful and informed. These initiatives create a dynamic economic environment where traditional and new industries can thrive alongside each other, providing ample opportunities for employment and entrepreneurship. Community engagement, building collaborative urban spaces that serve all. Finally, community engagement is essential for the success of smart cities. Platforms that facilitate real-time feedback and civic participation empower residents, making urban planning more inclusive. Smart governance models use data to improve transparency and public service delivery, enhancing trust and cooperation between the city and its inhabitants. Efforts to ensure social equity and inclusion are crucial, guaranteeing that the benefits of smart cities reach all segments of society. These collaborative efforts not only improve the functionality of urban spaces, but also foster a strong sense of community and belonging among residents. Smart cities represent a convergence of technology and urban planning, creating spaces that are not just livable but also are vibrant, efficient, and forward-thinking. By leveraging technology across various sectors, these urban areas promise a future that is smarter, safer, and more sustainable for everyone. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey through the world of Smart City and our Smart City 2024 update. Be sure to tune in next time on the Sustainability Podcast.